Getting chart colour right can make a chart much easier to read. The Flourish Assistant can help with that. Let's look at an example. At the moment, it's quite hard to see which line is which. I'd like to tell a story about product 4, so I'll ask the assistant to highlight product 4 in red. That makes the chart much easier to read. It also makes the story clearer. Next, I'd like product 4 to stand out in the title as well. So I'll ask the assistant to highlight the words product 4 in the title. I'm happy with that. Let's look at another example. Here I've got a World Cup tournament bracket. I'd like to try a different colour scheme, something a bit more tropical. So I'll ask the assistant to change the colours. The Flourish Assistant can help you highlight important information, experiment with colour, and will save you time editing charts. Next time you're making a chart, give it a try.